Picture this, a succulent lobster tail, perfectly cooked and bursting with flavor, tantalizing your taste buds with every bite. Cooking lobster tail may seem like a daunting task, reserved for fancy restaurants or special occasions, but fear not. With the right guidance, you can master the art of cooking lobster tail right in your own kitchen. In this guide, we're looking into the heart of the matter, the cooking duration. How long does it really take to cook lobster tail to perfection? Join us on a culinary journey as we reveal the secrets to achieving mouth-watering lobster tails every time. Determining lobster tail's cooking duration. In reality, cooking lobster tail is simpler than you might think, especially when armed with the right knowledge. So, how long does it take to cook lobster tail? The answer may vary depending on the cooking method and the size of the lobster tail. However, a general rule of thumb applies. For every ounce of lobster tail, allow approximately 1–2 minutes of cooking time. For example, if you have a 4-ounce lobster tail, aim for a cooking duration of 8–10 minutes. It's essential to remember that overcooking lobster tail can result in tough, rubbery meat, while undercooking may leave it raw and unpleasant to eat. Cooking methods and durations. Now that we've established the basic principle of cooking duration, let's explore some popular cooking methods and their corresponding durations. Number 1. Boiling. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and carefully add the lobster tails. Boil for 1 minute per ounce of lobster tail, then remove and drain. Number 2. Grilling. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Place the lobster tail's flesh side down and grill for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the meat is opaque and firm to the touch. Number 3. Baking. Preheat your oven to 375 to 190 degrees C. Place the lobster tails on a baking sheet, brush with melted butter, and bake for 12–15 minutes, or until the meat is cooked through and the shells are bright red. Mastering the art of lobster tail cooking. Cooking lobster tail is not just about following a recipe. It's about embracing the process and allowing your culinary creativity to shine. Experiment with different seasonings, sauces, and side dishes to elevate your lobster tail experience to new heights. Whether you're cooking for a special occasion or simply craving a taste of luxury, mastering the art of cooking lobster tail will undoubtedly impress your friends and family and leave them craving for more. Cooking lobster tail is a culinary adventure worth embarking on. By understanding the cooking duration and experimenting with various methods, you can cook this delicacy right in your own kitchen. So the next time you're craving a taste of the sea, don't hesitate to pick up some fresh lobster tails and put your newfound knowledge to the test. Your taste buds will thank you, and your culinary skills will reach new heights. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.